We've got another quick tip for you today. If you're in the situation where you've got a lot of connected equipment all running back to the switch, but you need to find out what port that particular piece of equipment is on, then the PoE Pro has got a nice little trick up its sleeve, and it can actually make that particular port flash for you. So it's easy to identify and it's nice and quick. So let's start by firing up the PoE Pro. Then it's a very simple case of pressing the button with the spanner on once, and now you can see we've got a whole load of information on the screen. We've got a little, what looks like a network switch at the bottom flashing away, and that's exactly what it is. Now by pressing the up arrow, this now switches it into port flash mode, and you can see a tick pop up momentarily, and now you actually have a port flashing on and off. Now that we've got that turned on, we can plug in a cable from the PoE Pro into your network switch. And now you can see on the screen, we're actually making port 9 flash on and off, which now makes it especially easy to find individual ports, no matter the size or complexity of the system that you're looking at. And to return to the normal network operation of the PoE Pro, just press and hold the spanner button again, and it'll revert back to normal testing. Job done.